अभी का जो टॉपिक है दैट इज jurisdiction. What is the jurisdiction? देखो हर चीज का एक jurisdiction होता है, राइट? jurisdiction का मतलब एक बाउंड्री. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल, if somebody will ask me a question related to medical science, I don't have the jurisdiction. I don't have the knowledge. I don't have the expertise. I cannot comment on it. But if, let's say, if somebody is asking questions related to civil services examinations or not, probably I may be, or I'll try to give an answer because I have a little bit of knowledge related to it. So every institution has this kind of a jurisdiction. Every institution. For example, a state government and its law and its regulations are within the jurisdictions of its the territory. Matlab, for example, suppose a state of Karnataka, its law, the state laws cannot be applicable to the state of Bihar. All right. So it should be within the jurisdictions. Similarly, the laws are also within the related to the jurisdiction. For example, the way Parliament has a union list, Parliament cannot legislate into the state list. That means ये उनका jurisdiction है, state का इनका jurisdiction है. तो why these jurisdictions are being given? So that clear हो जाए चीजें, ताकि बाद में जाके कोई confusion ना हो that what would it happen. Similarly, the Supreme Court and High Courts, they also do have their own types of jurisdictions. इसका मतलब क्या है? वो किन किन सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर अपना जजमेंट दे सकते हैं, that is what is called as jurisdiction. That means what is that boundary, what is that limit
Limitation.
which
Limitation.
it's not limitation,
So
what is
limit.
that
Limit.
particular limit within which they can basically give the judgment, right? So we'll understand. And as I told you in the beginning, that I will teach you in a different way. I don't know, if you're following the Laxmikan, that is well and good, no problem. But frankly speaking, मैं आज आपको जितना भी पढ़ाऊंगा, आज का क्लास प्रोबेबली इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू कंप्लीट द एंटायर जुडिशियरी, बट जुडिशियरी चैप्टर जितना भी मैं आपको पढ़ाऊंगा, दैट इज मोर देन सफिशिएंट फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन. एक भी क्वेश्चन इसके बाहर नहीं आएगा, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. ओके, तो आई विल ट्राई टू मेक इट एज सिंपल एज पॉसिबल सो दैट you no need to look for different sources to basically complete this particular chapter. So first thing first, ध्यान से सुनना आप लोग. If you have a notebook, you can also write down simultaneously. Okay, so let's understand related to the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India. I would try to make it a very organized way of understanding by writing different types of jurisdictions. And number one jurisdiction is nothing but called as original. ओके, आप यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट डाउन साइड बाय साइड, आप भी लिखो, बिकॉज ये जो डायग्राम मैं आपको बना रहा हूं, दैट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट इन योर रिविजन ऑल्सो. सेकेंड वन इज appellate jurisdiction. Third one is advisable jurisdiction. And fourth one is review. Okay, original, appellate, advisable, review. I'll further then divide this original jurisdiction into four. मैं ऐसा लिखता हूँ, let me write down this. One is writ under Article 32. Another one is original suit. Another one is transfer jurisdiction. इतना अगर आप समझ गए, believe me, your judiciary will be like 99% clear. 1% तो नहीं हो सकता. Jurisdiction. Then next one is election jurisdiction. ठीक है. So what are these jurisdictions? Original, appellate, advisable, and review. Next, under the original there are further four: writ, it's not right, okay, it's writ, original suits, transfer jurisdictions, in election jurisdictions. All right. Under appellate, right, grace, then you have statute. You have statute. इतना आप लिखो. Please let me know once you complete. Complete all of you. Just let me know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
स्वतंत्रिका, सब्यसाची, मिनोकेतन खोसला, जाजुदी केसरी, अविनाश, ठीक है, जल्दी खत्म करो. वी विल डिस्कस. हाँ, दिस विल हेल्प यू. ये जो डायग्राम है, दिस विल रियली हेल्प यू अ लॉट. Okay, so let us discuss. और आई थिंक और एक मैं लिख देता हूँ आपको. एक साइड में लेट मी राइट डाउन. देयर आर पिटिशन. पिटिशन में क्या क्या है? रिव्यू पिटिशन, curative petition, and there is a concept of PIL. ठीक है, ये तीन हम बाद में बात करेंगे इसके ऊपर.
सर ये रिव्यू पिटिशन पर कौन लिखा है जी सर?
क्यूरेटिव. क्यूरेटिव
स्पेलिंग सर कौन लिखा है जी? ओके सर, ओके.
ठीक है, let us discuss now. All right. I think okay. Oh, what was the first question? What was the first question I gave you? Or what do you understand by judicial review? Okay. This was the first question I gave you, right? Uh, okay. Write down a question. Another assignment. Article 32 mains question, okay, affirms the right to move the Supreme Court. Discuss the provision in Constitution dealing with it, and how the Supreme Court interpreted it over the years. Okay.